Not since the U.S. Supreme Court was asked to decide the 2000 presidential election has the timing of a court ruling had the potential to have such a major impact on U.S. politics. The court is now being asked to decide if the U.S. Congress overstepped its powers by requiring Americans to buy health insurance. 26 states, more than half in the country, say yes, and they're asking the court to strike down the health care law set to take effect in 2014. It's no surprise that the Supreme Court has decided to weigh in, given that both the White House and opponents of the law have asked the justices to decide the fate of the health care reform. What is significant is the timing. The justices are expected to issue their ruling in the midst of the 2012 presidential election campaign. The ruling could come down just months before the presidential vote next November. If that happens and the health care law is overturned, it would be a blow to President Obama's re-election campaign. But even if the Supreme Court declares the law fit to stand, it can't make the law popular.
This is not health reform, this is control.
You and your cronies in the government do this kind of stuff all the time.
Already, congressional Democrats have paid a high price for supporting what Republicans call Obamacare. Health care reform was a major factor in the 2010 congressional elections when Democrats lost control of the House of Representatives. If the court finds parts of the health care law unconstitutional, it could be a blow to President Obama's re-election hopes.
This is the issue that defines his legacy. This is the principal achievement of his term in office. So if the Supreme Court says it's not constitutional, he doesn't have much left to run on.
We are done.
The Obama administration has been touting health care reform as one of its greatest domestic achievements. A Supreme Court decision in favor of the law could galvanize its critics as they come to the realization the only way to overturn Obamacare is to elect a Republican president and Congress. Kimberly Halkett, Al Jazeera, Washington.